Hello guys, I'll be teaching you all you need to know by using quadratic formula to solve a quadratic equation. As I explained in my other lessons partaking quadratic equation, how to derive quadratic equation, if you can go back to read it so that you can follow this lesson. So guys, turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you. So guys, this is a question here. Using the quadratic formula to solve the equation 2x raised to the power of 2 plus 15x plus 7 is equal to 0. So the question here says we should use quadratic formula instead of what? Stressing ourselves. So guys, this is the way to solve it. Before you solve it, you are going to compare the general formula and the derivative formula in order to solve it. So now the general formula, which is a squared plus b squared plus c is equal to 0. So in comparing these two equations, which means our a is what? Equal to 2, our b is equal to 15, our c is equal to 7. So now we are now going to use this formula here. In using this formula, where we see a, we'll put 2, where we see b, we'll put 15, and where we see c, we substitute it by 7. So x is equal to b is 15, so minus 15 plus or minus square root 15 square minus 4 times our a is 2 times our c is 7 all over 2 times a is 2. So now x is equal to minus 15 plus or minus square root of 15 means 15 times 15. 5 times 5, 25. Write 5, carry 2. 5 times 1 is 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2, that is 7. And again 1 times 5 is 5, and 1 times 1 is 15, that is 5 plus 7, that is 5 plus 7 plus 5, that is 12. You write 2, you carry 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So which means 15 raised to the power of 2 is 225 minus 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 7 is 8 times 8 is 64, and 8 times minus 4 times 2, that is 8 times 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 7, that is 8 times 7 means 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 24 30 32 40 48 and 50 40 48 and 50 56. So The whole of this is 56. X is equal to minus 15 plus. So now 25 minus 56. 25, sorry, 225 minus 56. Borrow one here, making this one 15. 15 minus, that is 9, and this cannot minus, so 11 minus 15, sorry, 11 minus 5, that is 6, and here is now 1. So square root of 169. Then when we take the square root of 169, square root of 169, square root of 169 is 13. So x is equal to minus 15 plus or minus square root of 169 is 13. Sorry, we are leaving this 4 down, so this is all over 4. So this is all over 4, and x is equal to, we'll go with the first sign, which is plus sign, then we'll go with the second sign, which is minus sign. Minus 15 plus 13 all over 4, or minus 15 minus 13 all over 4. Minus 15 plus 13 will give us, x now will be equal to, minus 15 plus 13 will give us minus 2, right? Minus 2 all over 4, or minus 15 minus 13 will give us 20, minus 28 all over 4. So x is equal to 2 into 2 is 1, minus 1 all over 2, or on 4 here, 4 into 28 is 6 times, so that is 6 minus 6 all over 4 into 4, 1, so that is therefore x is equal to minus 1 all over 2, or minus 7. So that is just it. So guys, if you understand, just please help me and turn on the notification bell. Thank you, and subscribe to my channel, don't forget.